Hey guys, it's day 65 quarantine cuisine, and we are behind the recipe. What went into this recipe? Where did this come from? Let me just start by saying happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you.
You're an amazing dad. Your kids are amazing, and part of that is because of what a good dad you are. I really respect you.
They make it easy.
I know.
My kids make it
They're
easy.
really good kids.
Yeah.
They're not kids anymore. But anyway, so this is a little Father's Day dinner for Parks. What I always like to do when I have steak is put a little Malden sea salt, my flaky salt, over the top as a finishing salt. I'll put some on yours too, okay?
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Okay, so let's try it, Parks. Let's see.
Okay.
What do you think?
Okay. Can I ask you something while
Yes.
we're doing this? So, right when we finished the segment and then we were setting this up, you said, well, I didn't know what I was going to make. So I just wanted to ask you about that.
That's true.
Yeah. How often do you like, I don't know what I'm going to do, but we're going to see where it goes.
Almost every day. Yeah. That started when I was working for Derek Jeter and he was coming home from the road. I would order like all of his food to be delivered to his house, right? And I never really knew what I was making except the first night I would always make chicken parm. And the last night I would always make chicken parm. But in between, I literally would open up the refrigerator and go, And I'd have, all different meats and all different proteins and fish and vegetables and fruits and grains. And I would just like figure it out. I don't know. It's just like I work better that way. I'm not that great at like pre-planning so much. And that's kind of what I do with these recipes. I just open up with the quarantine cuisine. I open up the refrigerator. I see what we have. I see what's like about to like, go in the garbage. I'm like, all right, we got to cook that tonight. And then I kind of make my meal around that.
Did you know that the papaya is
This is
papaya?
so good. It's mango.
Mango. Did you know the mango was going to go on, how it was going to work into this?
No, well, first I started out, I was going to make a steak. And then I was like, I want to use that broccolini. And then I was like, well, but I have to make it more interesting than that. And then I decided to add some rice. And then I was like, well, rice and beans. And then I thought, coconut milk. And then soy with coconut. And then I thought mango would be really good. I don't know.
This is all going on while you were doing that segment we just did?
Mm-hmm.
You're going, huh?
Mm-hmm. So how is it, Parks?
The steak is so tender. It's perfect. It's delicious. It's as tender as any steak I've ever had. It's really, really great. And all the other flavors there are just so fun.
How do you like the rice and beans with the coconut milk?
I love it.
You do?
Mm-hmm. I love it.
It's kind of an easy audience.
If you just put the steak on the plate and said Father's Day dinner, I would be like, oh, well, that's great.
Yeah.
But there's all this other stuff going on.
There's a lot going on. And it's, the mango is really a nice surprise. Like, have some of the rice
With
and
mango.
beans with a little mango in there.
Okay. Oh, this is so fun. It's so great.
It's so
Thank
good.
you so much. This is so great.
To you, one of the best fathers I know.
Thank you.
And best husbands. Got lucky. I got lucky. I think you got lucky too.
I've been lucky. I've been so lucky in so many ways. Including this dinner.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Sure.
Love you. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you
Do
tomorrow.
this one. It's really good.
It's really good.
It's really fun.
Yeah, do it. Okay, guys. Thanks.
Thanks.